Hey guys, this is a quick look at a little dispenser can from Justrite. I love this thing. I think it's super easy to get just the right kind of amount of liquid without having to have it kind of in the can and pouring it out. I use this for acetone. It is made to resist chemicals, and so it is a very resilient bottle. And basically, what you do is hold it up, you press it, leave it down, and it'll distribute only the right amount onto your rag or whatever it is that you're working on. Um, the only problem I've ever had with it is I didn't, realize it distributed exactly that amount every time, even if you didn't have it totally tipped over. So the next time I tipped it over, some stuff would fall out because I didn't let it all come out onto the rag or whatever it was I was cleaning. So super easy to use, just a handy thing to have on your workbench to use for different chemicals for cleaning. Like I said, acetone is the one I use, and it works very well for that. I've had no problems. So, Just Right has done a good job with this.